A very wonderful good morning, grade 4. Your maths teacher, Miss Simran, is now ready to teach you your next concept, that is factors. As in the earlier class, we have learned what are multiples. Today in the class, we are going to learn what are factors. See students, factors are the numbers that we can multiply together to get another number. Those numbers which we can multiply together to get another number. See, for example, 2 multiplied 3 is 6, in which 2 is a factor and 3 is a factor. So, numbers that we can multiply together to get another number is called factor. A number can have many factors. एक नंबर के बहुत सारे factors हो सकते हैं.
Now let's learn how to find out factors of given number.
Let us take the number 12. To begin with, let us find out the pairs of numbers that give 12 as their product. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So, we get 3 pairs of numbers that give us the product 12. No other pair of numbers, when multiplied, will give the product 12. Now, let us take each pair of number separately and understand what it means. Let us take the first pair. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Here, when we divide 12 by 1, we get the quotient as 12. And when we divide 12 by 12, we get the quotient as 1. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 1 and 12. Pair 2. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Here, when we divide 12 by 2, we get the quotient as 6. And if we divide 12 by 6, we get the quotient as 2. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 2 and 6. Pair 3. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Here, if we divide 12 by 3, we get the quotient as 4. And if we divide 12 by 4, we get the quotient as 3. Here also, we get the remainder as 0 in both the divisions. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 3 and 4. Thus, we now understand that 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Hence, we say that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors of 12. Hence, we can define factor of a number as a number which exactly divides the given number. Or we can say that factors are numbers you can multiply together to get given number.
Now, we will study few points to remember while talking about factors. See the very first point. 1 is a factor of every number. What does it say? I repeat, 1 is a factor of every number. See, for example, when 1 is multiplied by 6, we get 6 as a product. And if we divide any number by 1, we get the number itself. Again I repeat, when we multiply any number with any number, we get number itself. And when we divide any number by 1, we get the answer number itself. So, hence proof 1 is a factor of every number. Second, every number is a factor of itself. For example, if we multiply 6 and 1, we get the product 6. And if we divide any number by the same number, we get the quotient 1. For example, we divided 8 by 8, we get the quotient 1. Hence, it is proof every number is a factor of itself. Third point, the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. What does it say? See, for example, we find out the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now, what does it say? The factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Our number is 12. So, our factors will be less than 12 or equal to 12. See, 1 is less than 12, 2 is less than 12, 3 is less than 12, 4 is less than 12, 6 is less than 12 and 12 is equal to 12. So, the factor will be less than or equal to the number. Is it clear?